If you are Christian, you must watch this movie. The Chosen is a widely acclaimed series about the life of Jesus Christ, directed by Dallas Jenkins. It has garnered praise for its fresh, humanizing portrayal of biblical figures and its engaging storytelling. Here's a detailed review. Plot and storytelling. The series focuses on the life and ministry of Jesus, as seen through the eyes of the people who knew him, his disciples, followers, and even skeptics. Unlike traditional depictions, The Chosen takes time to explore the backstories of characters like Mary Magdalene, Simon Peter, and Nicodemus, making them relatable and human. This character-driven approach gives the story depth and emotional weight, making it accessible to both religious and secular audiences. Acting. Jonathan Brumi delivers a powerful yet approachable performance as Jesus, blending authority, compassion, and humor in a way that feels authentic and refreshing. The supporting cast, including Shahar Isaac, Simon Peter, and Elizabeth Tabish Mary Magdalene, shine in their roles, adding layers of complexity and humanity to well-known biblical figures. Cinematography and production. The production values are exceptional, especially for a crowd-funded project. The cinematography captures the beauty of the historical setting with stunning visuals and detailed set designs that transport viewers to first-century Judea. The use of natural lighting and authentic costumes adds to the immersive experience. Themes. The series emphasizes themes of grace, redemption, and community. By showing the struggles and triumphs of Jesus' followers, The Chosen highlights the transformative power of faith in a deeply personal way. It also explores universal themes like doubt, forgiveness, and purpose, making it resonate with a broad audience. Music. The score, composed by Matthew S. Nelson and Dan Hasseltine, enhances the storytelling with its emotional and evocative melodies. The music blends traditional and modern elements, complementing the series' tone perfectly. Strengths. Fresh and relatable portrayal of biblical